I had trained my body and I had trained my brain to run towards the danger. Your time in service is over, and now you're like, whoa, what do I do? You don't know how to relax. You come out feeling lost, man. I had gotten to a point where I was experiencing things. The panic and the anxiety and the PTSD just got so bad. Wouldn't get out of bed for days at a time. That built up to, 265 pounds. It led to a very dark moment in my life. My family watching me decline, my kids watching me decline. Tonal was my turning point. Forgot how to be. Tonal's kind of helped me find that reorder. My life no longer feels chaotic. It feels structured again. You could do anything on Tonal that you would do at the gym. It puts you where it needs you to be. And then as you get stronger, it increases that load. So I started at 265, I'm at 228 now. Tonal has retrained me to be part of normal society again. I'm more active. I'm outside. I'm in nature. It's very hard to be negative when you feel good. Without Tonal, I wouldn't have found mental clarity. I wouldn't have reflected. I wouldn't have looked into the future and seen a light. Now they get to see the rebirth of a man who lost his self, find his self again.